Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be another review video. Before going into the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box, so please go check it out, and also make sure you comment below for more suggestions. And now let's get into the video. So today's video is gonna be about me reviewing about this concealer. So this is by Essence Coverstick. So this is the Essence Coverstick, and this is in the shade 03 Matte Honey. And this is how the packaging, it comes in this box, and not exactly in this box, I just removed the polythene wrapper on it, and this is how it is. And it is just a normal cover stick, like how the lipstick thing comes, like roller kind of a thing where you can roll out your product out. Let me just read out the thing. This is the Essence Coverstick 03 Matte Honey, and this side it retails for $2.49, and this retails for $2.49, but I bought it from Amazon because they were like having a discount on it, so I don't remember the price, but something I just got it a bit cheap. So this retails for $2.49 for 5 grams, and this is made in New York, made in Germany. And what else? They have also mentioned the manufacture date and expiry date, so I still have time till 2021. And also ingredients. So no, you don't expect much from the cosmetics, because I'm a pharmacist and I shouldn't be complaining, because when you want to do products, you need few chemicals to be added, and so all the ingredients are mentioned over here. And also, what does it claim? The cover stick reliable conceals skin imperfections with fine matte finish. The formula with anointing claims the skin ideal for all skin types, dermatologically tested. So I just want to see how this one works, because as you guys know, I'm really bad with makeup, and I don't know how this thing's gonna work. I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it in. So this is the product. I don't know, it doesn't have any smell, I guess, or it's just the plastic what I'm spending, but I don't think so it has any smell on it. So as you guys see, this is travel friendly, because just a small thing. And just wanted to see where I can put this on, because I'll just put it over here. How is this matte honey? Because honey is different, right? Because I don't think so this is matte honey. Okay. And one more thing is, I don't have anything on my face except for the moisturizer. So I'm just gonna see how it works. Because I've seen a lot of beauty YouTubers doing all this, so I'm just following their footsteps. because I don't know how exactly this is gonna work for me. I guess that's all. I don't call it imperfection because we are humans, we all have bad skin. No one's perfect. Maybe there are a few good people out there who have very good skin, but not me. This blends quite well. You can see, right? This blends quite well, but I don't like the patchiness going on over here because I don't want to look weird with this. I'm just dabbing it so that but the good part is that it blends very nicely. Even though I'm using only my fingers to do that, it blends very well in the skin. I don't know how this is gonna cover my blemishes. I'm not rubbing it, I'm just dabbing it because I don't want to remove the product. I guess I sound shaky because I'm dabbing my face. I forgot to tell you, this is waterproof because I put little water and this is not going off, so this stick is waterproof. It's quite good, right? I know, but as they claim, it doesn't cover like it doesn't give you that matte kind of a feeling. I still can see that shiny glossiness going on over here. I don't think so. This is that matte and it doesn't give you that full coverage, which is good for me because I don't like full coverage. And it's good, right? I know, it's like pretty good. It did a decent work. It did a decent work for me. I just applied lipstick because I don't want to look so bad on the camera. I just apply like how I normally do. And yep, that's it. You can see that patchiness, I guess. I don't know whether that's my skin or I don't think so. That's yay, it did good. So I just want to cover it up with compact because now I just want to see how it works. I don't want to look like a zombie with all the patches on my face. Oops, sorry. You think what happened? No, we have a power cut. I don't know, like, do I look like a zombie or do I look fine? Do I look fine? Because I'm really not sure because there's no light and I'm really sorry for that. That's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. So yeah, it is like, you know, good, not so good, but it's okay for me because I don't like a bit of whitish thing going on over here on my face. As they said, it is matte honey, but it is a bit light on my face. So you can see, right? You guys can see that my face. Maybe because of the light, I guess, but I kind of like it. This is not heavy on the face, and it just blends so well, travel friendly, and it's quite good for the price I've paid. So yay, I like this product. Hope you guys liked it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.